One.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hope you have been well. So today we continue with our unit of human anatomy and physiology. So, I hope we're all in. I'll just call the register very fast. Ezra.
Present.
Hasanis. Moses.
Present.
Mulati.
Present.
Adam.
Present.
And Vinnet. Present. Okay, that's very good. So, last week we tackled the body, organs, and the tissues of the body. And today we're going to look at the cell. We're going to look at the cell. And we shall focus on the following objectives today. We shall define what a cell is. We shall draw the structure of the cell. We shall name the parts of the cell. And finally, we shall state the functions of the organelles. Okay, so let us start with our first objective, which is to define a cell. And a cell is the basic unit of the body. So the cell is the basic unit of the body. It is the simplest form. The simplest form of the body. So, we are going to draw the cell, the structure of the cell, as we label the parts. Okay? So this is the cell. Realize that we have started with the outline. So this, the first part, very important part, is the plasma or the cell membrane. Okay? Then we go to the nucleus. The nucleus. Then we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is rough because it has ribosomes. These are ribosomes. Then we have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then we also have Golgi apparatus. They somehow look the same, but they are not. Actually, they have a different function. Golgi apparatus. We also have mitochondria. 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 They look like a sausage, okay? That one is, I'm sure that is one of the organelles that is most remembered. The mitochondria. Okay. So these are the organelles that we shall focus on today. Now, I hope that you are looking at the parts and how we have named them and how we have placed them and drawn them. We will definitely talk about the functions next. Okay? So, let us start how we started. We started by talking about the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. So, what is the function of the cell membrane? So, the cell membrane encloses the cell's contents. Okay, very important. Then we go to the nucleus, and we say that the nucleus contains the genetic material. It contains, so we know that the nucleus contains genetic material for the production of proteins. Then we went to the rough endoplasmic reticulum here, and we shall just write the acronym RER, which is now what transports the proteins that have been produced. Then the ribosomes. The ribosomes are the ones that translate the genetic material into protein. Then we have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We shall write it as SER. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is used to transport lipids. Okay, it transports lipids. Then we also have the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus. And its work is to package and to transport. So it packages and transports all these things that have been produced in the cell. So its work is to package and transport the cellular contents. And lastly, we shall talk about the function of the mitochondria. Now, the mitochondria produces the energy that is required to do all the functions in the cell. So it produces energy to be used in the cell. Okay, so we have defined what the cell is. We have drawn the structure and labeled. We have given the functions of the organelles. Now, yes, please.
What do you call this space within the cell?
Oh, the space. That's a very good question, Ezra. Now, this space may look empty, but it is not empty. This is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm. And the cytoplasm is very important because this is the fluid that ensures the movement of all these organelles inside the cell. Okay? Now, we shall do a very simple exercise as I try to understand whether you have gotten the things that we have just learned. So we are just remaining with the parts. Now, we have this part right here. This part. What did we say it is? Linet, cell membrane. The cell membrane. Very good. Now, we talked also about a funny looking structure. Do you remember? A funny looking structure? What did we say it is? Yes, Adam? Very good. Now, just those two. What did we say is the function of the mitochondria? Yes, Ezra?
For synthesis of energy.
Synthesis of energy. One last question. What is the function of the cell membrane? Yes, Moses?
It houses the cellular components.
Very good. Very good. Now, I can see that we have understood the things that we have learned today. We have accomplished our objectives. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you.